Guys, I don't think we can fit anymore.
This is the most unusual
server I've ever been in. There's flying suitcases.
We're about to be filthy rich.
Yes!
There's literally flying suitcases.
Money
Guys, sell every single thing.
Yeah, we need to sell everything, guys. Sell everything.
Money talks, baby.
It's come for walk. It's come for walk.
Yeah.
Where did it go, Stewart?
Yo!
Guys, fit every single thing that you can in here. We're having a big sale. The most huge
Get as many
sale ever.
crates as you can in here. Sell me! Sell me, guys!
Tell me. Let's go.
Wait, I'm still...
I could care less. Just a
Plunger man. I got an idea, guys.
Give me some of these. Oh, give me a second. I need to sell something.
Everything is so chaotic.
Money talks.
Money talks?
You have to
How does
agree.
money talk? Where's the money talking right now? Like, where's the money?
There was something, but it's not.
I'm broke. I need anything. Guys, if there's any 1 million.
Ow!
Money doesn't talk.
Let's go. Money.
Yo, this dude in there literally missed everything.
Money talks. Money I have. Gosh dang, bro. Money talks. Oh, look how much money I have. How do you guys get gems? How do you guys get the little purple gems? Well, you go mine the purple ores.
Because the machine's gonna explode soon.
Hey, can someone go?
But hey,
shopping
have
with
y'all
me or
been
something?
seeing
the new round purple ores?
The ground?
Does someone want to go mining with me to see if we can get some
the new
purple-
round purple ores that